So in this video, we are going to learn how to send WhatsApp messages to new Facebook lead ad leads using WaBots. Now let's say to market your business and to get some new leads, you have created a Facebook page and on that page, you are running some Facebook lead ads as well. Now you want that whenever you get a new lead from Facebook lead ads, you want to send them a WhatsApp message to nurture those leads using WaBots. So let me tell you, you can completely automate this process. And in this automation, as we are going to get a new lead in Facebook lead ads, instantly, immediately, a WhatsApp message will be sent using WaBots to the same new leads number. Now, if you want to learn how you can set up this automation all by yourself, for that, you just have to come with me to my screen.
So as you can see, this is my Facebook page. And on this Facebook page, I'm running some ads to get some new leads. Now I want that whenever a new lead is generated, I get a new lead using these Facebook lead ads, I want to send a WhatsApp message using WaBots to the same new lead which we have generated. Now to do this, we have to connect our Facebook lead ads account with WaBots. And we are going to use an automation and integration platform called Pabbly Connect to do so. Now to access Pabbly Connect, just go to your browser and search for Pabbly, pabbly.com/connect. And you will reach to Pabbly Connect's landing page. Here you can see two options, sign in and sign up free. Now, if you are new to Pabbly, by clicking on this sign up free button, you can set up your free Pabbly Connect account in just 2 minutes. Or, if you are an existing Pabbly user, just click on sign in. After signing in, we will reach to this all apps page of Pabbly. And here we just have to click on access now below Pabbly Connect. And as we click on access now, we will reach to Pabbly Connect's dashboard. After coming to this dashboard, we have to create an automation workflow over here. Just click on this create workflow button and give this workflow a name. Let's say I'll name it as Facebook lead ads to WaBots. You can basically give any other name of your choice. Then just select the folder of your Pabbly Connect account in which you want to create this automation and click on create. And as we click on create, here you can see the automation workflow will open in front of us. In this workflow, you can see two different windows. First one is the trigger window and second one is the action window. So triggers and actions are basically those two concepts, those two principles on which this whole automation works on, where the trigger says when this happens and the action says do this. So let's start with our trigger window. Now the idea here is, first, we have to connect our Facebook lead ads account with Pabbly Connect in the trigger step, so that whenever we are going to receive a new lead using Facebook lead ads, automatically the same lead is received inside Pabbly Connect as well, and this automation workflow will trigger. It will start. Then after that, using this Pabbly Connect automation, we are going to send the details of the same leads to WaBots, and using WaBots, we are going to send a WhatsApp message to the newly generated lead as well. So let's see how it is done. Here in trigger step in choose app, search for Facebook lead ads. Just select it. After selecting Facebook lead ads in trigger event from the drop down, select the trigger event as new lead instant. Then just click on connect and select add new connection. Now here we have to connect our Facebook lead ads account with Pabbly Connect. And to make this connection, just click on this connect with Facebook lead ads button. Now because we have already logged into a Facebook account in our browser, Pabbly Connect will detect the same account and make the connection over here. After making the connection, the first thing it asks us is the page. So in this dropdown, you can see a list of all the pages which I have in my Facebook account. Out of all of this, on which particular page we are running ad, from which particular page's ad we are getting some new leads we want to receive inside Pabbly Connect, we have to select it. So the name of my Facebook page which we are using in this video is Color Splash Paints. So from this dropdown, I'm going to select this Facebook page, that the leads for this Facebook page I want to receive inside Pabbly Connect. And after selecting our Facebook page, it is most likely possible that you might have created multiple lead generation form for a same Facebook page. Like for this Facebook page, using this lead ad testing tool, you can see I have created two different lead gen forms over here. So the new leads from which particular form we want to receive inside Pabbly Connect, we have to select it. So here in this dropdown of lead gen form, you will get a list of all the forms which you have created. Now, if you want to capture the leads from all of these forms using this automation, then you can select this option of all lead gen forms, which I'm going to do. After selecting the page and selecting the lead gen form, what we have to do, we just have to click on this save and send test request button. And as we click on save and send test request, you will see it has now changed to waiting for webhook response. This means Pabbly Connect is waiting to get some response from Facebook lead ads of a new lead. So let's do it. What we are going to do, using this lead ad testing tool, we are going to generate a test lead, a dummy lead over here. Now you must be thinking how you can access this lead ad testing tool and how using this you can also generate the test lead. So we have a dedicated video on Facebook lead ad testing tool already live on our channel. You can just refer to that video and learn that how you can access Facebook lead ad testing tool and how using this you can generate some test lead. Now, after coming to this testing tool, what you have to do? You just have to select the page over here. So in the drop down, once again, you can see a list of all of your Facebook pages. Select your Facebook page, and after selecting the page, select your lead gen form using which you want to generate the lead. Then just click on this preview form button. And then we can see that our lead gen form is open in front of us in preview mode. Now here, using this form, using this test lead gen form, we are going to generate a test lead. So I'll just select some options over here and then just enter the details of a demo user, a test lead over here. This is the email address. And then this is a dummy mobile number which we are entering. After entering these details, let's click on continue and then click on submit. So just now, using this lead ad testing tool, we have generated a test lead. And because we have connected our Facebook lead ads account with Pabbly Connect, we will see in our Pabbly Connect workflow in this trigger step, within few seconds, we have received the response. And in this response, we will see the details of the same lead. We have the same option over here, interior painting refresh. Then here we have the same option that they want the work within 3 months. Then we have the same name demo user, same email address, and also the same mobile number. This means the step 1 of setting up this automation is completed, where we have successfully connected our Facebook lead ad testing tool with Pabbly Connect and captured the new leads which we are generating using Facebook lead ads. Now after this, let's move to step 2. And in step 2, we want to send a WhatsApp message to the same leads on the number which they have entered using WaBots. For that, we will just scroll down, come to this action step, and here in choose app, we'll just search for WaBots. Just select it. After selecting WaBots in action event from the drop-down, select the action event as custom API request. So we are going to use this particular action event over here. Then just click on connect and select add new connection. Now here we have to connect our WaBots account with Pabbly Connect. And to make this connection, we have to enter the API key of our WaBots account. Now, before we enter the API key and connect our WaBots account, let me tell you that first we have to connect our WhatsApp Cloud API account with WaBots. So we will just go to WaBots over here and we will go to this connect account section over here. And here what we have to do, first we have to create our WhatsApp Cloud API account. Now, if you haven't created your WhatsApp Cloud API account yet, then don't worry, you will get a dedicated video link on this as well in the description box below. By referring to that link, you can just basically learn that how you can set up your own WhatsApp Cloud API account. And after creating this WhatsApp Cloud API account under this Meta for Developer section, we have to connect this account with WaBots. And to connect the account, we have to enter the WhatsApp Business Account ID and access token. So after creating your WhatsApp Cloud API account, you will be reaching to this API setup section. From here, you can see this temporary access token and this business account ID. Just copy the business account ID from here, go to WaBots and paste it over here. Then here in access token, you will get a temporary access token, but this token will expire every 24 hours. So you have to enter this temporary access token every 24 hours. But don't worry guys, there is a way using which you can generate a permanent access token which will never expire. And we have created a dedicated video on that too. And the link of that video will also be in the description box below. You can refer to that video and learn that how you can generate the permanent access token. And you can connect your WhatsApp Cloud API with WaBots using that permanent access token as well. Right now in this video, I will be just using this temporary access token and enter the same token over here. Now after entering this token, we have to add this callback webhook URL and this verified token in our WhatsApp Cloud API account. Copy this callback webhook URL from here, go to Pabbly Connect, and then below this API setup, you can see this configuration section. Or what you can do, just scroll down and come to the step 3 of configure webhook to receive message. Just click on this configure webhook section. After clicking here, it will take you this webhook configuration section. Here we have to add the webhook URL. Click on this edit button. Here in callback URL, just paste the exact same webhook URL which WaBots gave us. And here in verified token, copy the verified token from here and enter the same token over here as well. And after entering both of these details, click on this verify and save button. And as we click on verify and save, here you will see this webhook URL will be added in our WhatsApp Cloud API account. After adding this webhook URL, here we will come to this webhook field, click on this manage button, and here you can see a list of different events, different fields. Out of all of this, select this field of messages, and we have to select this field. We have to subscribe to this field of messages over here and click on done. And we are good to go. We have successfully added the webhook URL given by WaBots in our WhatsApp Cloud API account, and access token and business account ID of WhatsApp Cloud API is also added in WaBots. Now just click on this connect button in WaBots, and as we click on connect, we will see our WhatsApp Cloud API account will get connected with our WaBots account over here, and the connection is done. We will just scroll down, and here at last you can see we have the connection details. We have the same number, same business account ID, and same details. Now after this, what we have to do, we need the API key of our WaBots account so that we can connect WaBots with our Pabbly Connect workflow. For that, just click on this profile option, go to API developer, and after that, here you can see the API key. Just copy the API key from here, go to Pabbly Connect and paste it over here, and then just click on save. Now as we click on save, here you can see our WaBots account will get connected with Pabbly Connect. After making this connection, because we have selected the action limit as custom API request, we have to basically configure this API request over here. But let me tell you that you don't have to manually configure the complete API request over here. You can just import the curl request from your WaBots account. Now what is this curl request? We will see that in a couple of minutes. But first let me tell you that what are templates. So I'll just go to my WaBots account, go to WhatsApp Bat Manager, and here I'll just select my WhatsApp number which I have connected just now. We'll scroll down and come to this message template section. Here you can see a list of all the message templates which we have in our WaBots account over here. Now out of all of these templates, I have a template named as Facebook Leads over here. We have to basically create a template of the message, WhatsApp message which we want to send to our Facebook Leads. And we have to get that template approved as well. So here, after making the connection, I have created a template over here named as Facebook Leads, and I got this template approved as well. Let me show you. So this is the kind of message I want to send. Hello, thank you for your interest in Color Splash Paints. We are excited to help you with your painting needs. One of our executive will contact you shortly to assist you further with your requirement. And here we have best regards Color Splash Paint. So we are going to use this particular template message to send the WhatsApp messages to our new Facebook Leads. Now here what we have to do, we just have to remember this name Facebook Leads over here. We will just go to the top right section, we'll just go to this API developer section, and then we will just scroll down. After scrolling down, here we will come to this section of generate API endpoint. Here from the drop down, we are going to select our WhatsApp number over here, and then after selecting the number, all the templates which are approved in your WaBots account will be shown over here. Right now in my WaBots account, I have only one template message which is approved named as Facebook Leads. And for this particular template message, I want to get the curl request so that I can import it in Pabbly Connect. Just select this template over here, and then here you will get this get request over here, get request example. Select this get request, copy it from here. Then after that, go to your Pabbly Connect workflow. Here in the WaBot action step of custom API request, click on these three dots and click on this import curl button. And here in this import curl request box, paste the exact same request which we have copied and click on import curl. Now as we click on import curl, here you can see the complete API step, API configuration of this action is done. We have automatically selected the request method, we have selected the API endpoint URL, then here in payload type it has selected JSON. Also, all the parameters like the API token, phone number ID, template ID, and phone number, all of these things are automatically detected, automatically added over here. Now after this, what we have to do, all we have to do is that in this field of label, instead of this phone number, we have to just clear the default response, and we have to enter the mobile number, the phone number which we have received from Facebook lead ads. So we have received the phone number of the lead in our Facebook lead ad trigger step responses. So here from this trigger step responses, we have to add this response of mobile number or phone number to this WaBots action step. And we are going to use a process called mapping. And the process of mapping is very simple over here. We'll just click clear this default response. And then here in this drop down, you can see a list of all the responses which we have received from Facebook lead ads of a new lead. Out of all of these responses, select the response of phone number and it will be mapped over here. After mapping this phone number over here, whatever phone number the new lead is going to enter in the lead gen form, the same number we will be sending the WhatsApp message using WaBots. Now here what we are going to do, here I have added this dummy number. The number which we have entered over here is a dummy number. But just to tell you, just to show you that this action step actually works perfectly, I'll just remove this dummy number and I'll enter my own mobile number over here, my own WhatsApp number, so that we can check that whether this automation is working perfectly fine. After entering the phone number over here on which we want to send the WhatsApp message, just click on this Save and Send Test Request button. After clicking on Save and Send Test Request, here you can see we have received a response. And this response seems to be a positive response to us. This response shows that the template message which we have created, for which we have created the curl request, the get request, that message is sent to the same person whose number we have added. So basically we are going to enter the number of our Facebook lead. So on that number, the WhatsApp message will be sent. So let's check it. I'll just access the WhatsApp account of this number over here. And yes, here you can see just now on the same number which we have entered, a WhatsApp message is received. And this is the exact same message as the template which we have created in our WaBot account. Hello, thank you for showing your interest in Color Splash Paint, and we have rest of the template message. This means the action step which we have created over here, this action step is working perfectly fine. And using this Pabbly Connect automation which we have created, whenever we are going to receive a new lead in our Facebook lead ads, automatically using WaBots, we can send a WhatsApp message to them on their number. Now, after setting up this automation, we are going to test this automation workflow once. We'll get back to a lead ad testing tool and we are going to generate another lead over here. Let me click on this preview form button, but here using lead ad testing tool, we can only create one lead at a time. So what we have to do, we will just click this delete lead button. So using this, the previous lead which we have created, that particular lead will be deleted. And we will just refresh this page once again. After refreshing this page, once again, we have to select our Facebook page and our Facebook form as well, lead gen form as well. So we'll just wait for this page to get refreshed and it is done. So from this drop down, I'm going to select this same Facebook page over here and save lead gen form. Let's click on preview form. And after that, let's select the option. So here, what's the primary project you are considering right now? I'm selecting exterior paint. And do you have preferred timeline for your project? Yes, it is as soon as possible. The full name is test user this time. The email address is this. And this is a dummy mobile number which we are going to enter. Let's click on continue. As we click on continue, here you can see in Facebook lead ad, another test lead is generated. And we will see immediately, instantly within seconds, a WhatsApp message using WaBots will be sent to the same lead. So I'll just go to my WhatsApp account over here. And yes, here you can see on the same number, the WhatsApp message is received once again. Now, because in our automation workflow, in this WaBot action step, we have replaced the user's number with our own WhatsApp number over here. That's why it is sending the WhatsApp messages on our own number. Now, what we are going to do in this action step, in the label of phone number, we'll just clear. And from the Facebook lead ad responses, we are going to map the response of phone number and then just click on save. And we are done. So we have tested this automation in real time and this automation is working perfectly fine, using which you can instantly send a WhatsApp message to your new Facebook leads using WaBots. So not just these applications, you can connect plenty of other applications with Pabbly Connect. And one more important thing, you will find the clone link of this same automation workflow in the description box below. By clicking on that link, you can clone this same workflow into your own Pabbly Connect account and use this automation for free. Also, let me tell you, Pabbly Connect offers you a free plan. And in this plan, you will get some free tasks every month into your own Pabbly Connect account. So if you want to try and test this automation, you can do it for absolutely free.
So if this video was helpful to you, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with others, or if you have any kind of doubts or queries, you can always write us in the comment box below or email us at support@pabbly.com. Also, you can post your queries on our forum as well. And if you want to check the pricing of Pabbly Connect, you can visit this link. So this is it for today's video. Thank you. Have a great day.